Looking to upgrade your kitchen with gadgets that are not only practical but also viral for all the right reasons? In today's video, we're diving into 17 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are blowing up online. These tools will make your cooking and organizing routines faster, easier, and more fun. Watch until the end to find the gadget that might just become your new kitchen essential. And don't forget to check the links in the description for these amazing products. Let's get started. Ninja Foodi Smoothie Maker. This compact powerhouse is a game changer for smoothie lovers. The Ninja Foodi Smoothie Maker blends fruits, vegetables, and even nuts into silky smooth drinks in no time. It's perfect for creating nutritious morning smoothies, post-workout shakes, or delicious frozen treats. Designed with precision blades and a powerful motor, it ensures zero chunks and complete nutrient extraction. Plus, it's easy to clean, saving you valuable time. Ready to give your mornings a healthy twist? Click the link in the description to grab yours now. ODSD 2-in-1 Mini Bag Sealer. Keep your snacks fresher for longer with the ODSD Mini Bag Sealer. This 2-in-1 gadget works as both a heat sealer and a cutter, making it a perfect companion for your pantry. With just a quick press and slide, you can reseal chips, cookies, or any bagged item, locking in freshness. Its portable design means you can carry it anywhere, even on trips or picnics. Say goodbye to wasted snacks. Check the link in the description and order yours today. Our Place Multi-Cooker. Simplify your cooking with the versatile Our Place Multi-Cooker. This all-in-one gadget can steam, saute, slow cook, and more. Its sleek design fits beautifully in any kitchen while replacing multiple bulky appliances. With a 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for everything from soups to stews to perfectly steamed veggies. Tired of juggling multiple pots and pans? Grab this multitasking hero through the link in the description and save your valuable time and counter space. OXO Avocado Slicer. If you love avocados, this 3-in-1 tool is a must-have. The OXO Avocado Slicer takes care of every step, splitting, pitting, and scooping, all with a single gadget. Whether you're making guacamole, salad, or avocado toast, it saves you time and keeps your hands clean. The stainless steel blade removes pits effortlessly, while the ergonomic grip makes it easy to use. Want to make avocado prep a breeze? Check the link in the description to order yours now. OXO Herb Keeper. Say goodbye to wilted herbs with the OXO Green Saver Herb Keeper. This smart storage container keeps herbs fresh and hydrated for weeks. Whether it's cilantro, parsley, or basil, the water reservoir system maintains the perfect moisture level so your herbs stay vibrant and ready to use. Cooking with fresh ingredients has never been easier. Want to reduce waste and elevate your meals? Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Vegetable peelers make meal prep faster and easier with these durable vegetable peelers. The sharp stainless steel blades glide effortlessly through tough skins, perfect for potatoes, carrots, or apples. Available in straight blade and Y-style designs, these peelers cater to all your needs. Their ergonomic handles ensure comfort even during long prep sessions. Ready to upgrade your kitchen tools? Click the link in the description to grab this time-saving duo today. Zulay Apple Corer Coring Fruits has never been simpler than with the Zulay Apple Corer. Its sharp stainless steel blades remove cores in seconds, leaving you with perfectly prepped apple or pear slices. Whether you're baking pies, preparing snacks, or garnishing cocktails, this gadget saves time and ensures clean cuts. Easy to use and dishwasher safe, it's a must-have for fruit lovers. Want to add this essential tool to your kitchen? Check the description to order yours now. Large egg holder. Tidy up your fridge with the Lang Momo large capacity egg holder. Designed to store multiple eggs securely, this clear container keeps them organized and prevents breakage. Its transparent design lets you track your egg supply easily, while its sturdy construction ensures durability. Ideal for families or bakers, this organizer is a simple yet effective kitchen upgrade. Interested in improving your fridge space? Click the link in the description to get yours now. Electric Composter. Transform your food waste into nutrient-rich compost with the 3-liter electric composter. This compact yet powerful gadget breaks down kitchen scraps in hours, reducing waste and creating eco-friendly fertilizer. It's odorless, energy efficient, and easy to use, making it a great option for anyone looking to live sustainably. Ready to make your kitchen greener? Check the description for the link and start composting today. Stainless steel food mill. For silky smooth sauces, soups, or mashed potatoes, the stainless steel food mill is your go-to tool. With 3 interchangeable discs, you can achieve the perfect texture for any recipe. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while its stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use. This food mill is perfect for both home cooks and professionals. Ready to take your cooking to the next level? Click the link in the description to order yours today. Roll-up dish rack, save counter space with the Serpa's roll-up dish rack. Made from durable stainless steel and silicone, this rack is perfect for drying dishes, rinsing produce, or even as a trivet for hot pots. Its roll-up design makes storage a breeze, and its sleek look fits any kitchen aesthetic. Tired of bulky drying racks? Grab this space-saving marvel through the link in the description today. Cheffen Corn Stripper. Enjoy effortless corn prep with the Cheffen Cob Corn Stripper. This handy tool removes kernels in seconds, making it perfect for salads, soups, and salsas. Its sharp blade ensures clean cuts, while the built-in container collects the kernels for easy transfer. Easy to use and compact, it's a must-have for corn lovers. Want to simplify your cooking? Check the link in the description to get yours now. Microwave Popcorn Popper. Make healthier popcorn at home with the Ecolution Micro Pop Popcorn Popper. This reusable gadget lets you enjoy oil-free popcorn in minutes. Its simple design makes it easy to use and clean, perfect for movie nights or snacking. Ready to ditch disposable bags? Click the link in the description and grab this eco-friendly gadget today. Automatic Can Opener. The Elite Gourmet Automatic Can Opener makes opening cans effortless and safe. With smooth edge technology, it eliminates sharp edges, while the magnetic lid holder keeps your workspace mess-free. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have for hassle-free meal prep. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description to get yours today. Flairosol Oil Sprayer. Elevate your cooking game with the Flairosol Oil Sprayer. Its ultrafine mist ensures even oil distribution, making it ideal for grilling, roasting, or air frying. It's easy to refill and clean, and its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Looking to cook healthier meals with less oil? Click the link in the description to get this game-changing tool today. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Save time on meal prep with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Its interchangeable blades let you dice, slice, and chop veggies effortlessly. Perfect for onions, tomatoes, and more, this compact chopper is easy to clean and store. Ready to simplify your cooking routine? Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Kitchy Pizza Cutter. Cut perfect pizza slices every time with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter. Its sharp blade glides through any crust effortlessly, and the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Dishwasher safe and compact, it's a must-have for pizza lovers. Want to make pizza nights even better? Check the description and order yours now. These 17 viral gadgets are here to make your kitchen smarter and your life easier. Don't wait to upgrade. Click the links in the description to grab your favorites today. Like this video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen finds. See you in the next one.